Today's episode is literally smoking. We're diving into the wild world of animals that call volcanoes home. From lava-loving lizards to bunnies on a hot seat, these creatures are tougher than you'd ever imagine. Did you know some animals treat volcanic vents like a spa day? We'll meet them all. If you're ready for fiery fun and wild animal stories, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's turn up the heat. First up, the Galapagos marine iguana, the only lizard that swims and forages in the ocean. These volcanic island residents take a chilly dip for algae, then warm up on sun-baked black rocks. Those rocks, hot enough to fry an egg, but perfect for a cold-blooded iguana's spa day. It's a balancing act. Too long on the rocks and they overheat, too long in the water and they freeze. They even lift their feet or seek shade to avoid burning up. And here's the kicker. They sneeze out salt. Special glands filter out ocean salt, so you'll see them sunbathing and suddenly, aku, a salty spray. It's gross, it's fascinating, and it's pure volcanic survival. Next time you think your spa day is intense, remember the iguana chilling on a rock that could cook dinner? These guys are the original kings of extreme relaxation. They've mastered the art of living on the edge, literally. So, if you ever visit the Galapagos, look for the iguana with the best seat in the house. Just don't try to join them. Those rocks are reserved for the true hot tub pros, volcanic VIPs and legends of chill. Who knew sunbathing could be so hardcore? What a legend. Next up, the Volcano Rabbit, one of the world's smallest and bravest bunnies. Found only on the slopes of 4 Mexican volcanoes, these rabbits pick the hottest real estate around. Their secret? They're most active in the cool mornings and evenings, spending hot afternoons in burrows. It's a real-life game of the floor is lava. Except here, it almost is. Volcano rabbits are quick, darting from grass to shade, always dodging the heat. Unlike most rabbits, they squeak to warn each other about predators. Sadly, they're endangered, with habitat loss shrinking their volcanic home. Conservation efforts are underway, but these bunnies are true survivors. Tiny, tough, and talkative, they're masters of staying cool under pressure. Not a fan of spiders? Meet the Hawaiian happy face. Spider guaranteed to make you smile. Found only on Hawaii's volcanic slopes, this tiny spider sports a pattern that looks like a smiley face. Each spider's face is unique. Some smile, some frown. They're harmless, tiny, and spend their days under leaves, living in a lush but volatile neighborhood. Their homes are threatened by eruptions, invasive species, and habitat loss. But these spiders are a symbol of Hawaii's unique biodiversity and cheerful survivors in a world of danger. Even on the edge of a volcano, forget tropical lagoons, lesser flamingos love their lakes volcanic and spicy. In East Africa's Rift Valley, these birds wade in alkaline lakes so caustic they'd burn most animals. Why? Few predators and a feast of spirulina algae that thrives in these extreme volcanic-fed waters. Their tough legs and special salt-filtering glands let them thrive where others can't. The more algae they eat, the pinker they get. Talk about a volcanic beauty routine. It's a harsh, ever-changing habitat, but flamingos are masters of the balance between danger and opportunity. These lakes are critical for millions of flamingos, but sensitive to pollution and water changes. So next time you see a flamingo, remember, it's not just pretty, it's a survivor of the world's spiciest lakes. They're the ultimate hot pink daredevils. Flamingos living proof that beauty can thrive in the most extreme places. Meet the Pompei Worm, the ultimate champion of extreme living. This fuzzy little worm lives on hydrothermal vents deep in the ocean, where water can hit 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Its tail basks in boiling water, while its head stays cool, a 2-climate lifestyle. The secret? A thick coat of bacteria insulates it from the heat. Scientists are fascinated by its heat-proof biology, which could inspire new breakthroughs in medicine and industry. The Pompei worm laughs at boiling water, wears a bacterial coat, and redefines tough. Next time your shower's too hot, think of this worm chilling in its volcanic jacuzzi. The Pompei worm, redefining what it means to be hardcore. Stay steamy, Pompei worm. Time for some volcanic flair. The Sulfur Butterfly. These bright yellow beauties love volcanic areas drawn by mineral-rich soils perfect for their caterpillars. Volcanic puddles are their mineral sports drinks, fueling their fiery fashion. Their color warns predators. I've been eating funky volcanic plants, don't mess with me. Sulfur butterflies are also key pollinators, helping plants reclaim volcanic landscapes after eruptions. They're tiny pioneers, bringing color and life back to gray, barren ground. Next time you see a yellow butterfly, think of its daredevil volcanic cousins. Fashionable, resilient, and resourceful, these butterflies prove you can thrive anywhere. Stay bold, sulfur butterflies. Meet the Mount St. Helens beetle, a true comeback kid. After the 1980 eruption, this beetle was one of the first animals to return to the ash-covered wasteland. It hunts other insects blown in by the wind, thriving where almost nothing else can. Its dark color absorbs heat and long legs help it race across abrasive pumice. This beetle is the Mad Max of the insect world, scavenging, surviving, and rebuilding. Pioneer species like this beetle kickstart ecosystem recovery, paving the way for birds and other animals. It's a lesson in resilience. Even after disaster, life finds a way. The Mount St. Helens beetle stared down a volcano and kept going. When things look bleak, remember there's always a beetle ready to start over. What a survivor. Keep on crawling, beetle. Think living on ash is wild? Meet the lava cricket, one of the first animals to colonize fresh Hawaiian lava flows. These crickets move in just months after eruptions, setting up shop on still warm rock. They scavenge wind-blown debris, feasting on whatever the wind delivers. Navigating the lava is tricky. One step is warm, the next could be scorching. Their bodies are built for survival, wingless, camouflaged, and always on the move. Lava crickets see opportunity where others see danger. They're the first wave of life, paving the way for future ecosystems. Nature's ultimate opportunists. They thrive on the edge, the real hot steppers of the animal kingdom. Dance on, lava crickets. Let's go microscopic. New Zealand's Waimangu volcanic valley is home to extremophile microbes. These heat-loving bacteria thrive in near-boiling hot springs, painting the pools with vibrant colors. Each color marks a different species adapted to a specific temperature. Their proteins and DNA are built to survive the heat, true biological marvels. The enzymes they produce, called extremozymes, are used in everything from laundry to DNA testing. These microbes form the base of unique food chains, proving life can exist in the most unexpected places. They're unsung heroes of both nature and technology. Next time you do laundry, thank a volcanic microbe. Even in boiling acid, life finds a way to party. High on North America's volcanic slopes, the Rosie Finch has breakfast volcano style. As snow melts, it reveals a buffet of frozen insects. Nature's defrosted freezer aisle. The dark volcanic soil helps melt snow faster, giving these birds easy access to protein-rich meals. Rosie Finches nest in cliffs, withstand freezing winds, and use their volcanic home to their advantage. During breeding season, this strategy is a lifesaver. They're true masters of adaptation, thriving where few others can. The volcano is their personal chef, slow-thawing breakfast every spring. A high-altitude culinary genius, turning a harsh landscape into a feast. Bon appetit, Rosie Finch. That's a wrap. From lava-loving iguanas to party-throwing microbes, we've seen just how tough and creative life can be. These animals don't just survive near volcanoes, they thrive. If you enjoyed this fiery journey, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more wild adventures. Drop your favorite volcanic critter or pun in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay awesome, and watch out for hot lava. Until next time, keep it cool or hot.